Hey everyone! Hello! I'm so excited to share this video with you. It's all about makeup under 500 rupees. Yeah. Now we are in March, basically in the middle of March, and April is coming and it's time for sales. Nykaa, Purplle, Boddess, Foxy, Smitten, every other app is giving you summer sales because summer products are coming in, so you have to look for sales. You have to keep your eyes on them. And also every summer, especially April, May, many new products are being launched. You have to keep an eye on everything so that you get all the trendy makeup. And also you have to look forward to Instagram because Instagram people are basically the main source of makeup trends nowadays because we don't have TikTok in India. Keep watching Instagram and also follow me. I'm on Instagram too. I make reels there about trendy ass makeup. Not too much, but I got hand on some summer makeup that are you will need in summer. They are newly launched and I'm trying it right now. Let's talk about something that I enjoyed a lot and something that I have already tried. This is Deborah Milano Super Gloss shade named Purplle Chestnut with hyaluronic acid. This one is sexy. If you wanna see how this gloss looks, you have to follow me on Instagram because I have uploaded pics how it looks on ombre lips and how it looks in general. This is juicy and this lip gloss you will need it in summertime. I absolutely love this shade. This is beautiful. Oh, and this is perfect nude. I already have lipstick on, so the applicator is also beautiful. This doe food applicator. This is, as you can see, this is very bright and beautiful. The shine. The finish is very smooth, but at the same time, this is not sticky. This is not at all sticky so that your hair is being stuck, and no, that won't happen here. The best part is this lasts long, almost all day long, and it smells minty. It also tastes good. I never really expect much from a gloss, but it delivers. But yeah, if you are going for a lip color or lip stain which is really opaque, this is not semi-opaque, but it's not proper opaque like some other glosses that I have tried, but it doesn't look weird on me. It looks good on me. This gloss is basically nude shade and this is hydrating, so basically it's very good for all day wear and for office or for night outs or party. This is very summer wearables. For summer we need something light and hydrating but at the same time glossy and shiny and juicy. This is it. Let's move on to another sexy makeup product. This is beautiful. This is Mass Beauty Flush of Love. This is my first time trying this product. As you can see, I have already tried this product. The color is so good, so pretty. The color is so pretty. This is peachy bloom pink. This is everything I need and want. Oh, so cute. Color is so cute, peachy, bloomy, at the same time it has some pink hue. This is very pretty and feminine and very summer, very floral vibe it has. And this is a decent size blush. It's not like you are buying and it will be over in 1 month. No, this is huge and the pan is also thick. As you can see, it will last a long time. And when it comes to, I have tried this one and the pigment is very light on your skin. You won't even feel it like there's something on your cheek, but it will give you, and this is very buildable. You can, if you want it, I like heavy blush. If you don't want it, you can do it light, but it stays all day long. It won't go anywhere. You don't need any touch up. Mars Beauty launched this Flush of Love collection and they also have I think 6 more shades this product. All the blushes are good. If you don't like this one, you can try other colors. They have nudes, they have bronzy, and they have this cool pink tone. This Dior, I think Dior made it famous. Then Kylie Jenner had that color of blush, cool pink tone. You can buy that as well. Try it out. This summer, guys, I'm very inspired. I am trying new looks, new eyeshadow looks. I think I have. This is a bad makeup day. I have ruined my makeup look, my eyeshadow look, but I don't know. Is it good? Is it bad? I don't know. I'm super inspired and all that jazz, and I'm experimenting with my makeup all the time. I'm going to bring out some good makeup tutorial and makeup videos and product reviews, honest reviews, okay? Paisa kha ke faltu ka review, I don't do that. I don't have any sponsorship. I don't take any sponsorship, rather, I would say. So if you want honest reviews, subscribe right now. I'm a small channel. Please support me. Okay, so the next product I bought is this. So the next product is Root Cosmetic Brow Gel. As you can see, I love my brows laminated, and I don't pluck my brows. It's very painful. I don't go for plucking, and I like my feather brows. Come on. This is not heavy freeze, okay? This is not at all heavy freeze, like you'll have to almost waste your life on your brows to be, normal again. No, you don't have to do that. This is not heavy freeze, lightweight, but at the same time it works very good. I'm using it a lot. I bought it like 2 weeks before, and I'm using it like crazy. I'm going to gym, I'm going to Zumba class, and I'm wearing this brow lamination everywhere. And actually I'm using Maybelline brow pencil, and this with that, 2 combos, chef's kiss. Okay, this is my summer collection. I'm gonna buy more. I think I'm gonna do a lipstick collection, because come on, everybody knows that I'm a lipstick addict, and I know my friends are also lipstick addict, which is you guys. I know it. So this summer there are many new launches. I'm actually waiting for new launches this summer, so I know next week probably there will be new launches all over the online places where you buy. Why I always forget about words when I need them? Yes, online shopping websites. Nykaa, Boddess, Purplle, everybody is giving sales. I'm waiting for sales, because come on, your sister is broke, and I know you guys are broke. You are also waiting for sales, so come on. I am going to review summer launch new lipsticks. So if you want to see that video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button right now. Otherwise, how will you know? Do it. And tell them bye bye. And also, if you want to see my old videos, one will start right after this one ends, so binge watch my channel. Bye bye.